Hey guys, Planet Everything here, and today I had an 8-hour long car ride. So I did what I know how to do and designed a 3D model of a pontoon boat. So a pontoon boat is just like two little air things and then like a cruiser boat on the top. It's super, it should be super simple. It was super simple to design, but also really fun because there's a lot of little details in there you can add. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I will end up 3D printing that and I'll show it to you guys. But for today, I just really wanted to show you that designing process. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also please share with your friends because, you know, sharing is caring.